Hey guys, Ashley Moore, 4-H Program Assistant at McCreary Extension. Technology has pretty much taken over the world. We have smart cars, smartphones, electric-powered cars, computers. Everything is electronic. We even read books from tablets and things like that. Even our toys. What did our great-grandparents and our ancestors, how did they keep themselves amused? They didn't have computers and Game Boys and all that stuff. They made their own toys. They kept themselves amused by making things, coming up with new ideas from things they already had, or recycling one thing into another. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to make our own little race car game. For this, we just need some string, a couple straws, and some cardboard. Scissors and hot glue would come in handy too. I'm going to show you how this works, and then I'm going to show you how to make your own. Okay, we have our race car here, and I've put some weight on him. I have a pom-pom. We've cut a hole out in the center of it. An object to this game is to see if you can get the car all the way around the track to the top without losing your pom-pom. And the thing about it is, if you go off course, off the road, you're going to lose the pom-pom. The cardboard against the back of the car is what's going to help hold it in there. We have strings on the side, and that's how we're going to guide it through there. If you want to go left, you pull left, just like that. You go around a curve, that gets a little tricky because you got to pull them both. Just like that. And then you have to go back down. Let's see how good my driving skills are. Oh. Okay, before I crash, let's tell you how to build this thing. Okay, this little guy was pretty fun to make. I just took 2 pieces of cardboard actually, and I cut my race car track out, and then once I drew out my road, I cut out everything else and just left the road. I left it attached on one side, and at the top and the bottom, just made a frame around it. And then I made a base and a back so that I would have that 90-degree angle to play it with. I cut some straws to put my string through, and on the back of my car is where I attached them. I have a paper clip at the bottom of it. That's just to give my car a little bit of weight. And then I put the pom-pom in the center of it to give it a little bit more challenge going uphill, to see if I could keep the pom-pom in there. If it went off the road, then it's going to fall out. But just glue it at the top and the bottom. And then your strings are glued to your car through the straw at the top, and I brought them back down and glued them here so that I have leverage on each side for my control of my car. Super easy, super simple. Good way to recycle, keep yourself amused. But give us a like, share, and comment, guys. Hope you enjoy these little activities. Till next time.